Good day guys. Welcome to my channel. This is Cryptomania Tech, and today I have good news for you guys. We all know cryptocurrency is taking over the world, and I have for you Bitcoin Black, and there is 36 million naira that can be yours right now. This coin is yet to be listed, and once it's listed, man, you get your money. So now let me just show you how to get this thing. And the link to this website will be in the description below of this video. You should just go there and click it straight away and get your money. So once you just enter the website, it will show you this. Just scroll down, put in your email address real quick, just sign up. Let me use this email address, click I'm not a robot, and click on yes, I want my free coins. Well, I already used this email address to sign up, so they will just tell me this email already exists. So what you just need to do, go back to your email, and they will send you a verification. So let's just go check it real quick. Alright, when you check your email, you should see something like this: account verification link. Click here to activate, confirm your email address verification link. So just click to activate, that's all. And so now it will take you directly here to the main registration place. Just put in your name. Let me just put Davis, that's my name. Put in the password you like, let's say, yep, confirm password, and you register. That's just all. So now let me just put in my name and my password and everything, so you guys can see it. Let me just pause the video. All right. I just filled in my name, my password, and everything. So I'll just click on register. Just register. I think my network is a bit slow, but this thing is actually working. I already have an account with them, and I already have almost, I think, 1,000 coins, and it's worth a lot of money, a lot of money. Okay, let's just wait. Let's see this thing load up. All right. Okay, so once you register completely, this is what you will see immediately. You have an affiliate link, but your account will already be credited with 3,600 coins, which is worth $36 already. But so for you to earn more, you have to just refer your friends and family. It's very easy, and you earn more. Like, you earn more. Just take a look at my wallet. Let me just show you guys my wallet so you guys will see. This is no joke, man. It's no joke. It's no freaking joke. This is, you can actually earn a lot of money with this Bitcoin Black. And just got a news that very soon it's going to be listed on Binance, and people can start trading. You can convert it to cash, naira, dollar, whatever currency you freaking want. This is an opportunity for us to make a lot of money, and I pray you guys just take it, grab this opportunity. The link to this is in the description of this video. Grab this thing now before the airdrop stops. All right, thank you guys. I love you guys. God bless. I post videos like this every week, so you guys should just like and subscribe for more videos like this.